In this video, I'm playing Shinkansen 0. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so we're in the Shinkansen, which is the bullet train in Japan. There's a phone. No one. Okay. Well, no one picked up the phone. Can I open these? Yeah, there's a bathroom. Oh, it's a train. 7. Turn back if there's an anomaly. Okay, so basically, if there's anything different about this train that's not normal, we go backwards. I didn't even notice this guy. Okay. And if there isn't anything different, then we go forward. So I don't think there's anything strange about this. So we just go forward, I think. No anomaly in this area. Okay. 7 again. So it loops every time. Is he sleeping with his eyes open? Anyway.
Konnichiwa.
Hey, mister.
何してるの?
What's wrong?
また会ったね。
Are you looping too?
お兄さんもゲームをしに来たの?
Does that mean you're here to play the game too?
僕めっちゃ楽しみ。
I'm super excited.
お姉ちゃんが起きないから暇なんだ。
I was really bored here because my sister's not waking up.
いくら待っても。
No matter how long I wait.
すっごく待っても起きないんだもん。
She doesn't seem to open her eyes.
でもお兄さんがゲームしてくれるから、もう
But now-
大丈夫。
But now that I have you to play the game, I feel better.
ゲームのルールは知ってる?
Do you know the rules of the game?
ルールはとっても簡単だよ。
The rules are simple.
変わったことがあったら戻る。
See something off in the train, you turn back.
ゲームを終わらせる方法?
Want to finish the game?
それは0号車まで行ってその先の運転室でブレーキをかけるだけ。
Get to car 0 and hit the brakes in the conductor's room.
トイレの車両は変わったことは起こらないからね。
There are no anomalies in the restroom area.
もう一回説明する?
Got it.
よかった。じゃあ後でまた会おうね。
I'll see you at the end then. Okay, so it starts now. So I wasn't actually looking before, I don't think. So just go forward. And now it actually starts, I think. Probably. Okay, so this should be the first one now. So he looks normal. What is that? Who are you? There's a guy under that seat. Oh, he's gone. The kid's gone. Why is he under the seat? Okay, so we go back because that's definitely not normal. So we just go back now. Oh, now it's a 6. Yeah, that means we're a bit closer. Okay, we can just go through all the rows. He looks normal. He looks normal. I didn't notice anything off. Oh, we'll go back this way again. Just do another loop. Nothing under the seats, it looks like. That looks good. Okay, so we should go forward then. There's luggage up there. I'm assuming that was there before. There was an anomaly? Okay, well I missed it, I guess. Okay. Well, hopefully we won't miss it this time. He looks normal. Yeah, the luggage is normal. He looks good. It doesn't look like there's anything wrong. Go forward, I guess? There's an anomaly. What? I have no clue what I'm missing. Could be something as simple as like the numbers. I don't know. He still seems normal. I'm gonna have to check like every seat carefully. I don't see anything out of place. Okay. Yeah, there's nothing strange. Anything up top that's not normal? This poster looks terrifying. I think it's normal again. Okay, that one was actually normal this time. So I got it right. Still don't know what was wrong with the other ones. I'm tweaking. His eyes are open still. Nothing weird. Anything up top? It's all good so far. Oh, someone's coming after me. Someone's coming after me. What was that? What was that? I think that might have been an anomaly. So sometimes they're really obvious. I'm assuming there's like simpler ones sometimes. He still looks normal. So she's in row 4. Maybe she'll be like up once. So all looks normal. Just go forward, I guess. Oh, I messed it up again. I'm really bad at this. Okay. 16. It looks normal. So far, I don't see anything wrong. And she's in C4 again. Looks normal. What? I swear. Okay, that one was normal. There's eyes in the windows. Oh, it's only on this side. That's weird. That's an anomaly. Yes, okay, we're on 5 again. He's on this side now. Wait, is it flipped? Yeah, it's just flipped. Okay. So you go back now. Okay, this looks a bit more normal right off the bat. Oh. Looks normal to me. Oh, we're doing it. This is the furthest we've gotten. Those are like the walls. Yeah, that's not normal. We're going a lot faster. Yeah. We go back. Two. Okay, we're so close to beating it already. Okay. Gotta be extra careful. I want to get them back to the beginning. I think this is normal. Oh, we did it, okay. This is the most important one. I'm doing 50 laps in here. Okay, looks good there. Nothing out the windows looks weird. So the flickering is normal. Might have an anomaly here. This might maybe be an anomaly. It's probably fine. Yeah, I'm going back. I saw like a red flash. I'm actually tripping. Yeah, I don't think there's supposed to be hands on window 13 on the right. Don't think that's normal. Just go back and 0. Oh wait, do we have to do this one too? Dang it. It looks way brighter. Wait, I'm not tripping, right? It's like, it's really bright. Who are you? I don't think this is how it's supposed to look, I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, I'm gonna go back. Don't think she's supposed to be there. I'm gonna be honest. Okay. So we made it, right? Conductor's room. We did it. What if there's an anomaly still? Your eyes still open? Yeah, they're open. Oh god, that scared me for a second. Oh, that was a bit loud. Oh,
本日は新幹線
personal
をご
injury
利用いただ
occurred.
き誠にありがとうございます。
Attention
ただいま
please.
当列
We
車
have
にお
stopped
きまして
momentarily due
線
to an
路上での
injury.
接触事故がありましたので安全確認のためしばらく停車いたします。運転再開におき
There
ま
is
して
no
は
plan for the
現在
train to
見通
stop
しも
at
立って
this
おりませ
moment.
ん。本日はお急ぎのところ
Please excuse
誠
the
にご迷
delay.
惑をおかけいたします。 Attention please. We have stopped momentary due to an injury. There is no plan for the train
Whoa,
to stop
that's a bright
at this
light.
moment. Please excuse the delay.
Loading. Why won't anyone answer the phone? Oh.
お兄さんすごいね。
Mister,
成功したんだね。
looks like you made it.
キョロキョロしてどうしたの？もしかしてここが運転室になってるって思った？
You thought this was the conductor's room?
冗談はよしてよ。
You're only halfway there.
新幹線にはグリーン車があるんだよ。
I never specified which car zero you have to get
お
to.
兄さんなら知ってるよね。
Don't you know that Shinkansens have green cars? You
じ
know?
ゃあそれはね、
Where
グ
the
リーン車の
premium
向
seats
こうだ
are?
よ。僕が0号車の次って言ったって？
If you're an adult, you should know that.
0号車っていうのはグリーン車の0号車のことだよ。
You have to go through the green cars to get to the conductor's room.
まあ確かに
だ
僕それはそうと
By the way,
変わったことがあったら進んで
on the green car,
なかったら戻るんだよ。
when you find an anomaly, go forward instead of walking back.
3回間違えるとお化けが来るから気をつけてね。
Oh, one more thing.
僕はお兄さんを応援してるよ。
You make 3 mistakes, the ghost will get you.
ね、お兄さん、
Um,
なんで僕たちは
Hey,
こんな
mister.
なんか変だなって思わない？
have you ever wondered why we're here?
いや、気にしないで。
Never mind.
とりあえずゲームを終わらせよ
Let's just clear the game first.
う。じゃあまたね。
See you at car zero. That was weird. So we have the green car. And apparently, if we just mess up a certain amount of times, Ghost would come get us. Okay, so she's on her computer. It's a blue screen. There's a lady with the cart. Food. Okay. Gotta memorize all the food items. It may change. This guy looks crazy. What are you? Okay, there's an old guy reaching for his luggage. This all is perfectly normal stuff, especially the guy with bright green eyes. I think there's no anomalies. I think we're good to go back. Okay, I messed up already. He moved. Did he do that the first time? Okay, we're one mistake down. Okay. Looks normal. The green-eyed guy. Why does that seat have a light? Like, why does that seat specifically have a light? I don't know. Oh man. Reaching for stuff again. I'm just gonna assume there's an anomaly. If I'm wrong, who are you? Oh. Ha.
Anushi.
Are you human? That's one creepy looking old dude. I hope so. You can't trick me. You're wearing a suit. What was that groan? That's strange. You don't act like the others. That much I can tell. How long have you been here for? Approximately 26 minutes. Did you meet anyone in the train? The boy. That's good. From my observation, and from my 84 years of experience, seems like most people here aren't actually. Seems like most people here are not actual humans. They never respond when I talk to them. They're almost like robots. I know a human when I see one. So my conclusion is, never trust the men in suits. Now if you let me. I'm tired. Just let me sleep. Let me just sleep. Before I... Here, I'll open the door for you. Telephone. That was weird. 6. Okay, so he gets down every time. Computer? Seems normal. Just weird. He looks pretty normal. Yeah, she looks normal. He's just grabbing his luggage. I don't know, it seems normal to me. Bet you're still lit up. This looks normal. Oh, we did it. She looks normal. He looks normal. Is your hair a bit more messed up than normal? I don't know. Her hair looked messed up, and I don't know if it was like that. But I don't think it was. What do you think, Grandpa? Do you need help reaching that? I could be completely tripping, but I don't think her hair was messed up. I don't think her hair was like that. I'm going to guess there is an anomaly. If I'm wrong, the ghost can come kill me. Her hair was not messed up. See, I told you. The light switch gets me every time. Okay, maybe her hair was messed up. Huh. Well, there's still an anomaly last time. Oh. Huh. You're not doing anything. It's a home screen. What are you typing? Okay. Anything different about you? He still looks normal. Why? I don't think doors are supposed to do that. Who is that? Whatever. That's not how doors work. Okay, this one might maybe slightly be having an anomaly. There's a chance. No one's here. It's what? They turned Green Eyes into a tree. Look at the old guy. Why do they make him so big? Turn the old guy into a giant log. Okay, looks normal so far. Let's see, still typing away on your home screen. Still green-eyed. What was that? It just got lifted up slightly. He still looks the same. I think this one might be good. I don't think there's anything wrong here. His eye still as green as ever. She's still, yeah. Snacks are the same. I think it's this way. No. Wait, okay, that was our first mistake. It said 1, but in Japanese. Okay. We gotta work harder. Okay, she's still typing away at nothing. Why did I turn like that? Okay. He still looks pretty green-eyed. He still looks normal. I don't think there's anything outside the window. This looks normal. I mean, as normal as the weird infinite looping train can get. I'm gonna say it's normal again. Yes, we did it. Windows look normal. Let's see, she's still typing away at nothing. She looks normal. It looks about the same. It's the same. Okay, we're at 2 mess ups. One more and the ghost is gonna kill us. Or something. She looks normal, just typing on her computer. She's definitely normal. That on the other end. That is not normal. I think you have a lump growing. You might want to go get that checked out by a doctor. Grandpa, that guy over there, the one with the green eye, he has 2 heads. Anyway. It's reminding me I have 2 every time. Nothing strange. There's a noise. There's someone grabbing it. Yeah, that's not normal. You know that guy? He doesn't normally move. Does he? No, I don't think he moves. I could be completely tripping, but I don't think he normally moves. What?
3
That's 3 mistakes. What's happening? Oh. What is that? Oh no, I made too many mistakes. It looks normal. Looks normal. I'm going back. Still typing. Yeah, I knew it was normal. Yeah, she's normal. What? That don't look right. Wait. No, I don't think you can usually see that white box. There's an anomaly on here. And I caught it. It's in the reflection. And if it's not, I'm tripping.
1
I'm not tripping. I'm not tripping. That's the number 1 down. I'm not tripping. Got confused because it said Ichi, but we ball. Normal. But you normal. There's something else. Mr. Hand is back. You still didn't tell me. Do you know this one? He keeps trying to grab the window. I think he's trying to shut it. If I had the option to, I'd help you with that. Okay, well, we'll see you later, Mr. Han. Wait, 4? We're in cart 4? We're doing it. We're gonna win. There's the computer. So pretty normal looking. Also, the white bar always shows up. I don't know what the anomaly was that time. I was in the middle of something. I hate that bitch. What's good with you? So, one green eye. No hiding any other heads over there? Looks about the same. Do my lap backwards, I think. I think there's no anomalies. Yeah, I said we probably go backwards. And if I'm wrong, yes. It's the plant one again. We've seen this one. I don't think he was here last time.
ねえお兄さん
Hey, mister.
僕たち生きて帰れると思う
Do you think we'll ever get out of here alive? I don't know.
ねえ僕た
Well, that's fun. We're going to turn into the tree. Two. Peace. There's no other passenger. You doing alright, man? A lot taller than I thought. Oh, he's coming after me. He's coming after me. He's coming after me. No. Yes, oh god. Why did he do that? Bro. Oh my god. She looks normal. She looks normal. Listen, man, that wasn't called for. You didn't have to do that whole like chasing thing. That was very cool. Okay. I don't think there's any anomalies. If I get it wrong, I'm gonna be so upset. Because they're so close. It's normal. Yes. That doesn't look right. There's fog. Why is there fog? Still working on who knows what. She's okay. I'm just going forward. I don't like the foggy train. What do you think of the fog? Yeah, I agree. It kind of sucks. But see ya. Woohoo! Conductor's room. I don't know if there's like supposed to be any anomalies on this part, but I think it's worth just double checking. I don't think there's supposed to be, but you know, I think we're just like supposed to go forward. Yes. Welcome. Did we do it? Wait, what about the kid? I could leave that door, but I want to go back. Might be the kid. Oh, it's his sister. Photo.
なるほど。
Okay,
この列車は止まることはなくって、ルー
so
プしていたんですね。
so the train wasn't stopping and it was looping.
でも、この列車を止めることができて、
You managed to hit the brakes and stop everything?
ループもしなくなったってことですよね。
Hmm.
うーん。
Everything about this is so hard to believe.
あ
But I guess I have no choice but to believe you.
あ、なんか違和感。記
Uh,
憶がない。
something doesn't feel right.
この列車に乗った覚えはないんですけど。
I don't remember boarding this train.
それは多分直樹です。
Oh, Naoki?
きっと記憶をなくす前、直樹と一緒だったのね。
I was with my brother before I lost my memory.
なんでここにいるのかとか、何か言ってましたか？
Did he say anything about why we're here? No, you didn't see
そう
him?
ですか。直樹を探さなきゃ。
You weren't with him?
ここに来る途中に直樹はいましたか？
Did you see him on the way here? Not from the side I came from. Or not after I
そう
stopped
な
the
んです
train.
ね。なら列車に乗っている乗客をみんな連れて行きましょう。
You came from the green car side.
直樹は普通車側にいるはずですね。
Then he must be on the other side.
よし、
Alright then.
ここから出ましょう。
Let's find him and get out.
でも、よく考えたら、次にここにまた誰かが来る可能性がありますよね。
Come to think
そ
of
んな
it,
ことになったらかわいそうです。
what about the people that might end up here in the future?
この列車をどうにかした方がいいんじゃないですか？
Shouldn't we think of a way to end this nightmare for good?
ループする列車。
A looping place.
アニメか何かで見た気がする。
I saw this in an anime or something.
あ、思い出しました。
Oh, I
な
remember.
んかの番組で、
In the
二人
show,
で反対方向にすごいスピードで走って、ループを壊してました。
they broke the loop by having two people run to the opposite. They broke the loop by having two people run to the opposite direction really fast.
どうですか？
How about that?
いや、
Wait,
列車はもうループしていないですもんね。
but the train isn't
ブレ
looping
ーキを
anymore.
踏んだらループしなくなったんですよね。
Right, the train stops looping after hitting the brakes.
あ、だったら
Oh, I know.
一緒に発車させたらどうですか？
What if we start the train at the same
両端から。
on both ends?
私は普通車側に行くので、
You can go back to the green car side.
グリーン車側に行ってもらってもいいですか？
I'll go to the normal car side then.
一
Sure.
緒に頑張りましょう。
Alright
急
then.
ぎましょう。
Let's
また
hurry.
この列車が動き出してしまう前に。
Who knows when the train will start again? Okay, so hypothetically, if we both started from different ends, it should save it. So it should stop the looping. Let's go back. Oh, I went black. Okay, we started it. To leave, I guess? Okay, I couldn't go back further to check on him. Ending 1. Okay, so we got one ending. Let's see if we can get all of them. We can go back to after stopping the train. So maybe if we go to the other end, then something different will happen. Oh, we gotta walk all the way back. So maybe we're supposed to go to the other side of the car. Okay, this time we're gonna go to the normal side.
そうですか？さっきの話だと、
Are you sure? My
弟は
brother
多
is on the
分
other
普通
side.
弟を任せることになってし
Can I
まうん
trust
で
you
す
with
け
my
ど、で
brother?
も列車を止めるこ
Well,
と
you
が
did
できた
manage
ん
to
で
stop
わか
the
りまし
train.
た。
Alright then.
では私の弟、
I trust you,
一
mister.
緒に頑張りましょう。
Alright
急
then.
ぎましょう。
Let's
ま
hurry.
たこの列車が動き出してしまう前
Who
に。
knows when the train will start again? Okay. So we'll go to this side this time. Okay, it's not fading black. Just gonna walk down. Oh. What is there black goo coming from there? Whatever, just keep going. What is that? What is that? Okay, we just gotta go, we just gotta go. Why is it doing this? We just gotta go, we just gotta go. Is that thing? Oh, it's getting skinnier. Oh, why is it getting weird? Suban. Did that work? Oh. You can see outside. Oh, we're about to get there. Do we do it? Oh, it's them.
お姉さん来たんだね。待ってたよ。
Mister, what took you so long?
お姉ちゃん、
Sis,
起きたんだね。
you woke up.
直樹、
Naoki.
無事でよかった。
You're okay.
お兄さん、
I'm
僕
fine
は
now,
もう大
mister.
丈夫だよ。そうだ。お兄
Oh
さん
yeah.
も一緒に
You
来
wanna
る？
come with us?
そうですね。
No, not yet. You're right.
来ない方がいいと思います。
It's not your time yet.
なんだか、私たちに何が起こったか
I
分かっ
think
た
I
気
know
が
what
しま
happened
す。
to us.
心配しないでください。
It's okay, mister.
私たちは大丈夫です。
We're going to be fine.
それより、
More importantly,
もう私たちは行きますね。
you have to get home.
本当にありがとうございました。
Thank you, mister.
さようなら。
And goodbye. Where are we going? Oh, what's this?
気がつきましたか？あな
You
た
woke
は
up.
床に倒れ、目が覚めてよかったです。
You were collapsed on the floor.
運よくお医者様が乗っていたんですよ。
Luckily, there was a doctor on board. Is that the old guy who reached for his bag?
軽い静脈血栓塞栓症でした。
It seems you're suffering from a light form of deep vein thrombosis.
いわゆるエコノミー症候群ですね。
Or what the Lehmans call it, the economy class syndrome.
体を横にして足を上げることで良くなったようです。
Lying down and raising the legs seemed to have helped.
本当に良かったですね。
You should be thankful he was here.
列車が止まっているせいで救急車を呼ぶこともできなくて最悪の場合も考えられたんですよ。
It would have taken much longer to get
数
help
分前に起きた人身事故です。
because the train had also stopped while you were out,
その事故でこの列車はしばらく止まっているんです。
likely due to the personal injury that happened earlier.
失礼します。業務連絡です。事故には若い女性と少年が巻き込まれてい
A
ることが
young
確
woman
認
and
されま
boy
した。
were confirmed to be involved in the accident over. Wait, so... Okay, wait. So, I passed out on the train, and the little boy and the sister were ran over by the train. And that was like the personal injury from the beginning. That's crazy. Well, if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe and comment what I should play next. Goodbye.